Welcome to VidZet. I'm Dr. Ted Noel. Sometimes you find yourself looking for a way to tell a story, and it just doesn't come. My intention had been to put out a podcast every Tuesday, and today is Thursday. Suddenly this morning, as I read in the Wall Street Journal, I found my story. And it's an article titled, "Insurers Warn About Lack of Coverage Mandate in Senate's Skinny Repeal Option." Now, let's look at what's going on from the eyes of Jerry Maguire and his client.
Yeah, what can I do for you, Rod? You just tell me, what can I do for you?
It's a very personal, very important thing. Hell, it's a family motto. Are you ready, Jerry?
I'm ready.
Just want to make sure you're ready, brother. Here it is. Show me the money.
What we have seen in this little short clip is a case of Sutton's Law. Willie Sutton was a bank robber, reported to have been interviewed, and asked, why did he rob banks? The answer, because that's where the money is. Well, guess what? When we look at insurance companies, why are they there? Because that's where the money is. And when they go to Congress, the whole issue is, show me the money. Insurance companies don't give a crap about whether you're healthy or not. All they care about is whether they make money or not. Now, this isn't saying anything bad about them. A business is supposed to make money. But it's not my job as a taxpayer to make sure that Blue Cross makes money. That's not my job. It's Blue Cross's job to take the conditions on the ground and figure out a way to make money. That's it. And as we look at it, let's look at some of the things they say in this. First of all, in the article it says, health insurers came out strongly against the idea of any bare-bones health care bill that would repeal the ACA's coverage mandate without other measures aimed at stabilizing the law's insurance exchanges. Translation time. Stabilizing the exchanges means we put enough money into the exchanges to pay Blue Cross or Anthem or United Healthcare. It doesn't matter. The key is how much taxpayer money is there to pay the big insurance company. That's all they're about. And remember, the insurance companies were very much in favor of the HCA when it first was proposed. Why? Because it was a boondoggle for them. They got a bonus. If everybody had to buy insurance, who did they buy it from? Anthem, HCA, United, Blue Cross, you name it. The moment somebody has to buy insurance, they have to buy it from somebody, and guess who makes money? The big insurance company. It isn't the slightest bit about whether you can get health care or not. And remember, we've talked about this a bunch of times. Having health insurance doesn't mean you're going to get any different health care. As a matter of fact, having health insurance actually may contribute to you being less healthy, not more healthy. Plus, there are all sorts of free market alternatives that don't involve the big companies. Let's go on. What did the insurance companies say? It is critical that any legislation includes strong incentives for people to obtain health insurance and keep it year-round. Translation time. It is critical that you make sure that everybody keeps their wallet open and keep paying the insurance company all the time. Health insurers have long warned about the danger of ending enforcement in the ACA's penalty for people who don't have insurance coverage without replacing the mandate with other provisions aimed at prodding young, healthy people to enroll in health plans. Translation time, you gotta force people to buy what we're selling. it is such a cool deal. I can sell this as you're going to be more healthy, when in fact it's my wallet is going to be more healthy. I'm interested in this. I don't give a rat's ass about whether you're doing that. Pardon my French. Maybe I should have Paul Joseph Watson do this one. He'd be a little more colorful, but the point is simple. Oh, by the way, people making more than 4 times the poverty level would see their costs rise considerably under the skinny plan. Oh, why is that? Because they'd be paying their own way. The subsidies wouldn't be covering it as much. I mean, why shouldn't I be allowed to buy a Mercedes for the price of a Ford? Oh, wait a minute. A Mercedes is a more expensive car. So if I'm paying for a Ford, why should I be getting anything bigger than, fancier than a Ford? Oh, it's... okay. You know, the bottom line in this is that the Blue Cross's people are saying, we want to make sure that we have funding for federal payments that reduce health care costs for low-income people. Oh, guess what? It's open my wallet. I'm a taxpayer. Open my wallet and dump what's in it into the wallet of Blue Cross. I'm sorry if this sounds harsh, but the bottom line is this. The insurance companies want to protect their wallets. They will lie, cheat, and steal about it. All they want to do is exactly what Cuba Gooding wants. Show me the money. That's all they care about. Nothing else matters. And they will lie through their teeth. They will ignore all of the data. And they will try to browbeat our congressional representatives, our senators, into opening your wallet and my wallet. Open this up so that Blue Cross can put their hand in it, so that Anthem can put their hand in it. I'm sorry, it's time for us to stand up and say no. Or perhaps the way Peter Finch said it.
So, I want you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to get up right now and go to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore!
I'm Dr. Ted Noel. Thanks for watching.